Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best guitar stand that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Amazon Basics Folding A-Frame. The Amazon Basics Folding A-Frame is your favorite overall stand for a variety of shapes and sizes. It comes with 3 different width settings, making it highly adjustable and easily compatible with an acoustic, electric, or bass guitar. This unit can hold a lot of weight, accommodating the heaviest of instruments. Although there is plenty to love, they had some minor complaints with this Amazon Basics model. During testing, they found the unit struggled to effectively hold and balance oddly shaped guitars. Aside from that, it's your favorite model, and it looks terrific as a display piece in a bedroom. Moving on at number 4, we have Rock Jam Guitar Hanger. The Rock Jam Guitar Hanger is a decent model that offered excellent padding and a unique security feature. The padding on this unit was ideal, as it is thick, durable, and soft. It also offers a unique weighted mechanism that positions security arms in front of your instrument after placing it on the hanger. This adds a good deal of security to your stored guitar. Almost any instrument that you tested worked well with this product except for the ukulele you used, which was too light to activate the automatic security arms. While performing well in several categories, the Rock Jam Guitar Hanger did not perform well in the weight test. The unit simply could not hold the amount of weight you tested on it. Overall, this is still a good choice. At number 3, we have Onstage XCG4. The Onstage XCG4 is the best performing traditional style guitar stand you tested. Overall, it performs well in every category. Setup is relatively uncomplicated, and the minimal parts that it comes with are intuitive to connect and did not require directions to put together. It especially stands out for its familiar, easy-to-use design. This stand tests well across all the metrics, and most of its flaws are minor or don't affect performance in a major way. Your lead reviewer noticed that the unit tended to tip backward when weighted, but this is likely only an issue if someone leaned on the stand or instrument. The Onstage XCG4 is a traditional stand that performs precisely how it should, and as a bonus, comes in a 2-pack. At number 2, we have Ohuhu Wall-Mount Hanger. The Ohuhu Wall-Mount Hanger is a high-quality wall-mounted instrument stand offered at a great price. The combination of sturdy construction and a decent amount of padding doesn't leave much more to be desired. Couple that with the fact that it can hold many different styles of guitars and instruments, and you can see why it scores well over your testing metrics. The unit includes silicone rings at the end of the holder's arms, but these don't seem to offer any additional security. One of the few drawbacks to this stand is the straight arms. The setup time is a bit longer for this unit as well. And finally at number 1, ChromaCast Folding A-Frame. The ChromaCast Folding A-Frame is a well-built, sturdy guitar stand. Out of all of the units you tested, it was only rivaled by the Hercules 5-piece stand in terms of speed and ease of setup. Even though it offered a quick setup, it did not sacrifice anything for construction quality. This unit, much like the Amazon Basics Folding A-Frame, was able to hold heavy weight without tipping. This stand really couldn't be easier to use. Where it lacked was in adjustability, padding, and multi-instrument use. The padding protecting the backside of an instrument's body was particularly flimsy. Beyond these few caveats, they could see this highly portable stand being used just about anywhere you might need to give your instrument a rest.